Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Radinda Rosaria Ramdhani with student number 1232040 and I'm from PBI 40. On this occasion, I will presentation about teaching English for young learner or TEYL. So this is the table of content I will explain to you guys. First is the principle of TYL, and second is how to teach skill to young learner, and then step and teaching productive. Fourth is approach, method, and technique of TYL, and the last is how to teach young learner using song, game, and story. Okay, let's begin with the principle of TEYL. There are four main principles we need to know. First is implicit learning. It means young learner can learn best when language is absorbed naturally, not through grammar drills, and they can pick up language pattern from song, story, and interaction. And second is contextual learning. This learning can happen more effectively when it is connected to the child real life experience. For example, teaching vocabulary like apple or rain, it can work best when children see or experience themselves. And third is learner-centeredness. Every child is unique, guys, so activities should be adapted to the interests, needs, and learning style of the learner to keep them engaged and motivated. Fourth is meaningful learning. Language learning should be purposeful. Kids learn better when they understand the meaning and use of what they learning, not just memorizing words. Okay, now I will explain about how do we teach the four basic skills to young learner. For the first skill is listening. We can start with a simple commands, song, or sound games to train their ear. And the second is speaking. Encourage them to speak through chants or can be role playing and repeat praise. And reading and writing. We can begin with visual aids, letter recognition, and simple words before we can moving to a longer sentence or story. Okay, next, when we teach a productive skill like speaking and writing, we should follow some important steps. We can start with exposure, so we can let them hear or see the example first, and then guide them with a practice like through they can make a group or pair work. And the last is let them produce language independently with support and encouragement. Because children need confidence and scaffolding to feel safe when trying something new. And now let's talk about three important teaching concepts. First is approach. This is your overall belief about how language is learned. For example, a communicative approach like believe a learner should use language in real situation. And second is method. This is your plan for organizing lesson. One example is the total psychical response or TPR method, which combine language learning with psychical movement, and this is great for young learner. And the last is technique. There are the specific classroom activity. For instance, like of playing Simon Says is a technique that support the TPR method. Like for the simple is approach is why you teach in a certain way, and method is how you structure it, and technique is what you actually wanna do in the class. Okay, and then how to teach young learner using songs, story, and game. For the using story, we can do a storytelling because storytelling can build a vocabulary and listening comprehension, like use picture and gesture to bring a story to real life. And next is use song. Song can enhance pronunciation and rhythm while making learning memorable. And the last is using game because game provide motivation and engagement, like simple activity like Simon said, bingo or matching game can reinforce vocabulary and grammar in a fun way. Okay, for the summarize, teaching English to young learner should be natural, meaningful, and fun. By applying the principle of TYL and using appropriate strategy like storytelling, songs, game, we can help children build a strong foundation in learning English. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for listening, and I hope this video is useful for you guys. See you in the next video. Bye!